Hello friends, and welcome to part 4. Okay, so in the previous three videos, we had a very hard time starting this tractor up. It had kickback. You know, when I went to start it, it was kicking back, killing my arms and my fingers. And what we did was, I cleaned out the carburetor on it. It didn't seem to make any difference. Then we swapped the carburetor that I had here. We put that on there, and it was the same thing. It was running real rough, very hard to start, like I said, and it was had bad kickback. So what I did was I took this original carburetor and I put it on the 57 Gravely LI that we restored, and it ran beautiful on that. So there was nothing wrong with the carburetor. So we put the carburetor back on this. Then I went after the head gasket. We pulled the head off. We saw some damage on the head gasket, and we could see how the surface was discolored in one area on the block, on the cylinder. So we put a brand new head gasket on it. We were able to get it started. We were able to rev it up and bring it back down to idle, and it wouldn't stall like it used to. So that part was alright, but it's still not running perfect. You know, it still pops a little bit here and there. At high speed, it just pops every once in a while. Low speed, pops a little more. So today, well, first of all, at the end of doing the head gasket, it had the snowplow on it. So I put the riding sulky on it. I didn't put the steering sulky on this. I just threw this sulky on it for now so we could test it today. But I did test it after we did the head gasket, and I rode it around the parking lot here a little bit. And it seemed to be okay. And then I shut it off. I went to start it again. It started right up. So the trick is today is I want to see how it starts on a cold start. And we're going to take it out in the little field here and cut the grass with it and see how it does. So I'm just going to put my gloves on. I think that was all there was to say about it so far. I have the gas turned on. I have it choked. I have it throttled up. And we'll just see. I'm just putting my gloves on here. If it starts on the first or second pull, then I'll be happy with it for now. But I don't know if something went wrong internally with the valves. I did a quick inspection of the valves and everything and the piston cylinder, you know, while we had the head off, but that's as far as I could dig into it. Just make sure this is all the way on. And it is. Still not good cold starter. I took the choke off. I take my chances and try it without my gloves. That's the same thing. I don't know what to do with this. I really, really don't. Alright, I'm going to take you off camera and see if I can get it running. Well, I choked it, and it started up on 3 poles today. First we choked it, then I took the choke off, still wouldn't start. Then I choked it, it started on its 3rd pull. So let's see how it does here. It seems to be running a lot better after we did the head gasket on it. So let's see how it does here. I'm not sure if it has all the power it should. A lot of the popping went away. I'm happier with it, but not happy. Still pops, idling, some. But it doesn't stall anymore at idle. At the faster RPM, you could probably clearly hear that it really wasn't popping. It felt a little underpowered, but I'm not really sure. Because there was a lot of nuts this time. And the grass was just a little bit high, but it was the nuts that I think was the reason why it was bogging it down. But that's going to be it for this thing for this year anyway. If anybody has any ideas, if you watched the last 3 videos, I don't know. I'll pin a link to part 3 if you want to see the head gasket job being done. And I guess that's all for today. I just got to cut in a little bit down by that big tree here and up along the side and on the other side of the tree. And thanks for watching. I'll see you all on the next one, and take care.